with this new QuickTrick 4-wheel kit. I certainly wouldn't be able to do this before. I only had a 2-wheel kit, and then I had to pull out strings and jack stands, basically a second person or a tape measure, back and forth, and a bunch of screwing around. I've been able to do this by myself, and that's a real big plus for me because I don't have to try to find a second person to help me out. And what I love about it is, I mean, I'm doing this in the garage. I can also pull this thing out and do it at the racetrack. I've done that before with the old kit to help other people out and get their, a toe adjustment set in, or find out what's wrong when you can just walk by and see that something's wrong with the car, and we can throw the QuickTrick on it and check that stuff at the track, which is really awesome. I've used these guys' stuff even before they partnered up with me. It's really nice to have the ability to do a custom alignment for a race car kind of a setup, or even a street car where maybe it's outside of the factory recommended settings, and some shops just won't do that. So it's nice to be able to do it yourself.